So this video of Onyeze is currently trending. Like, the video is everywhere on the internet. There is serious drama in Anambra State as Agunechemba security outfit finally arrests this well-known pastor called Onyeze. He's also called father of all the men. Very funny. This pastor has been making headlines for a very long time now because of his unusual teachings, his unusual practices, the way he does his things is just so unusual. So he has been trending and making headlines. He's known for telling his church members and anyone seeking his help to bathe naked in a river, any kind of river, if they want to become rich. So long you're yearning to become rich, they go to Onyeze and he tells them to go to certain river to bathe there naked, and boom, they become rich. Anyway, it looks like the law has finally caught up with him. Security operatives stormed his ministry in Nkwo and took him into custody. This video of his arrest is now trending by the Agunechemba security outfit, and people cannot stop talking about it. In this video, Onyeze is seen limping as security officers lead him to the building he uses as his church. This is the building right here, with this particular man supporting him as he walks slowly, clearly struggling to move. This has left people wondering what happened to him. Was he injured during the arrest? Or has he always walked this way? Because personally, I don't even know if this is how he walks or he actually incurred some sort of injury during the arrest. No one knows for sure. If you know, let me know in the comment section, because I don't know. But with the way he's walking, people are really asking lots of questions. That means this is not the way he used to walk. According to reports, his arrest came after multiple complaints from the public. Many people were uncomfortable with his teachings, especially his insistence that people must bathe naked in the river before they can receive miracles or financial breakthroughs. Some believe he was running a scam, while others still support him and call him their pastor. One thing I know is very clear: Governor Charles Soludo's promise to clean up Anambra State is really taking shape now. With arrests like this, it shows that the government is cracking down on questionable activities in Anambra State. What do you think about this situation?
Okay, so take us there.